So, for today's video is how to fix problem can't hear Instagram video sound. So, let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is make sure the app is updated. So, let's go to the Play Store and then at the top search bar, you're going to search Instagram. To the right of Instagram, it either say open or update. If it says update, that means you need to update the app. If it says open, that means that you're fully up to date. The next thing you can do is make sure your ringer is on. So we're going to settings. And from settings, we're going to go to sounds. And you're going to make sure that the sounds is toggled on. And make sure that it's not on silent mode. And then from there, you're going to go to the side of the phone and press increase the volume button. You can even slide the volume button on over here. Another thing you can do is turn off power saving mode. You can check it on settings. And you'll go to battery. So mine is currently off. This is what it looks like if it's on. And we're just going to click that off. If none of these things work, there is something else you can do. You could check to see if your phone is connected to Bluetooth. So let's find Bluetooth here. And mine is off also. Make sure nothing is connected and I have nothing connected. If something was connected, it would say paired. But you just want to make sure that nothing is paired because that sound could be replaying through your headphones or through speaker. So the last option is this. We will clear the cache. So let's go to settings. And then go to apps. Then manage apps. Then we're going to search on Instagram. Go to storage. And in the lower part, clear data. Then clear cache. What this does is sort of resetting it for you. So you can also uninstall and reinstall your Instagram. So you have successfully uploaded the app. So I hope these troubleshooting ideas work for you. If you have any questions about this tutorial, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe and like.